Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the batteries on GARMIN Index BPM. Doing it is pretty simple. You just need to find this button behind the strap, click on it, and slide the bottom lid up. Now I'm gonna take the batteries out, and putting them in is weird. Honestly, it is really weird, and really like the markings on the case aren't helpful. As you can see right here, there's a plus minus, and you don't really know whether that plus means it needs to go with the plus being up or down, right? These images aren't helpful at all, and they're just like difficult, right? So to make it easier, I'm gonna explain it like that. If the display is facing not facing you and the strap is facing you, then the batteries should go in like so. Like so. So first of all, the display is facing outwards and the strap is facing you. And second of all, the ones that have pluses at the top are actually on the springs. Now let's close the lid and the device should be working. Yeah. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.